So I came for a walk and these bad girls did accompany me, yes. You know, they fit nature because it's all natural flavors, of course, of course. Now, if you want your barbecue game, your grill game, your flavor game to be top notch, yes. All natural flavors, clay smoked to perfection, yes, this is for you. And definitely, I'm going to throw it down in the kitchen, why not? Now, thank you ever so much for tuning in. Now, let's start. Let me go home. Let's go to the kitchen. So here, as you can tell, I have divided my chicken in two and I'll be using one half for the Piri Piri oven baked chicken. The next thing I'm going to do is rub it with my lemon. Yes, whilst I'm rubbing it, I'm also squeezing the juice over it. And I'll allow this to sort of sit and marinate for about 30 minutes, best in the refrigerator. Now, this would allow the fibers of the meat to open up. And hence, when I do add my spice blend, it absorbs all that flavor. Now, the spice blends are there to make life much easier. So instead of you having 15 to 20 different spices and adding a lot of things, everything is added in that bottle. So as a bottle in itself, it's flavor packed. Yes. So you don't need anything else. The only thing you need is to add salt to your own personal preference and you're good to go. So the Piri Piri blend has a citrusy base. It's spicy but flavorful with beautiful aromatics that comes through. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoonful and I'll be rubbing this all over the chicken. And yet again, allow it to marinate in the fridge for a minimum of an hour. If you can do this overnight, it's even better. Yes. So bish bash bosh, you're good to go. And now, usually I would say if you're using the spice blends, you have the choice as well of dry roasting it to release the oils. But because I'll be baking this on that low heat, it doesn't need that. And the reason being, once you slow bake it, the oils will release into the skins and into the meat. Absolutely. So when you're ready, preheat your oven to 180 degrees. And in the middle part of your oven, place your chicken in and bake it beautifully for 28 minutes to 35 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken. And once it comes out, allow it to rest, but whilst it's still hot, just sprinkle a little bit, about half a teaspoonful of the Piri Piri blend over it. As I mentioned earlier, you can add salt to your own personal preference. I've omitted it for this because I just do love the flavors that's in here anyway. Now here you have it. The Piri Piri blend also works with most seafood. I made a cuttlefish recipe. There's a tilapia recipe you can try with. Absolutely divine. Yet again, the same process that we've used here. This pairs well with jollof rice, particularly a smoky based one. Yes, and I've got a recipe coming up soon. And here I've got it with my anguamo with the peanut sauce, and of course the Piri Piri chicken. And also it works well with the whole baked potatoes as well. You'll find this on buyindudu.com. Yes, freshly made, of course, and sent to you directly. And I'm happy to say that all our clay smoked spice blends do come gift wrapped. In fact, almost everything that comes from our website, I present it to you just like the king and the queen that you are. Flavor, dear, you have to actually read the feedback that we do get from various customers that patronize our products. Absolutely. Thank you all for supporting my small business. And yes, you'll find traditional African recipes on my website, Ndudu by Fafa.blogspot.com. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as Ndudu by Fafa. So pass by and say hi. Noel, thank you very much for my theme song. And on to my next recipe. You take care of yourselves, kings and queens, because me, I love you for you. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.